In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and filter a HubSpot sales report in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to streamline your reporting process, this guide will walk you through each step to help you generate insightful sales reports. Let's dive right in. Start by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. If you haven't already, you'll want to log into your account. You'll see the login option prominently displayed, guiding you to enter your credentials securely. Make sure that you're on HubSpot's main page so you're familiar with the layout and can proceed with ease. Once logged in, you're on the HubSpot homepage. Take a moment to get comfortable with the dashboard. You'll soon be heading to the reporting section where all the action happens. Click on the reporting tab. It might be located in the top menu bar or accessible from a drop-down menu depending on your personalized dashboard setup. After you click on reporting, you'll need to access the reports. This option is present within the reporting section, giving you access to all pre-existing and customized reports. If you can't find it immediately, it's worth checking under any relevant submenus. It's all about familiarity with your HubSpot layout. In reports, select my reports. Here lies all the reports you've previously created or that are available to your team. It's essentially your report hub where you can review past reports or initiate the creation of new ones. To forge ahead, you'll want to click Create Report. This action enables you to start from scratch or choose from various templates, providing a structure for your report that best suits the information you wish to present. Don't worry if you're unsure about the details just yet. HubSpot's interface is intuitive and can guide you through selection options. After taking a look at the Create Report menu, hit Exit if you need to reconfigure your selections or pivot to another type of report. Exiting is simple and brings you back to the previous page without saving unwanted changes. Then navigate to Custom Reports. Here you can refine your report parameters, choose specific datasets to analyze, and even decide which metrics are most relevant to your goals. Custom reports give you the flexibility to tailor the output to align precisely with your business needs. Remember, experimenting with different filters can provide diverse insights, so don't hesitate to explore the options available to adjust your data view. Once configured, your sales report will stand ready to offer meaningful insights into your sales pipeline. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized a HubSpot sales report. This step simplifies a process that can often seem daunting, demonstrating how accessible effective data analysis can be with HubSpot's tools. Thanks for tuning in and happy reporting.